Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this business that's doing $510,000 a month of drop shipping, and they're doing some crazy stuff that we're going to get into in this video. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at this business that's doing $510,000 a month drop shipping. We're going to look at the product, the ads, and the pages. And by the end of it, you're going to have all of the assets you're going to need to be able to recreate a business like this. I've been doing drop shipping for close to a decade now, and a lot of the money that I've been able to make with drop shipping is not by trying to figure everything out myself. I just look at stores that are already crushing it, replicate it, and I'm able to generate sales very, very quickly with this particular method. All right. Also, guys, for any of you watching that want all of the research, the supplier links, the pricing, the success analysis, right? This product's been extremely successful and why it's been doing that. If you guys want all of those resources, just comment research down below. I'll go ahead and send you the sheet. All right, guys, so what is this product? This product is a knee brace, all right? So this essentially helps people with, knee problem. Now, the thing is, to us, this seems like a very basic product. To us, this seems like an everyday product that, what's so unique about it? What's so problem solving about this particular product that, I would want to get into? But the thing about products like this is these are system dependent products. What does that mean? So for example, if we go ahead and take a look at these ads, okay, so we're going to go to Facebook ads. Now, so what do I mean when I say this is like a system dependent? All right, so what you have to figure out is how are you going to aggravate the problem? How are you going to present your product as the logical solution? And how are you going to elevate the value of the product? Because if I were to just advertise this product on a Shopify store, so let's just go to Shopify themes, right? Let's go to this one. Okay, and let's just assume for a second that all of your traffic went to something like this. Okay, went to like this theme. Okay, where they come here and essentially you're showing like a product like this, your price, some image, some text, and maybe you even build out some columns, right? You build out some columns and rows and you do it. If you do it this way, you will never be able to be profitable with this product because it's too much of a commodity. It's too much of a whatever type of product, right? If you want to be successful with products like this, you're going to have to use this approach where you aggravate the problem. We're going to look at some of these ads where the problem is a bit aggravated. Okay, and then after that, then a solution is shown. But the solution isn't shown in a regular way. Okay, it's shown as a breakthrough solution to stop knee pain or risk never walking again. Okay, so this is shown as something as different from what the traditional options are. It's shown as something that's changing worlds, changing life, right? There's a nice breakdown of the technology behind this product as well. Okay, how many people are using it, X, Y, Z, right? And then you're educating and informing them and you're making a great offer. After that, what happens is then again, the value that's added throughout this process is insane. Okay, this product is actually a $4 product. Okay, but it's positioned so beautifully. It's shown so well. The product page here is built so amazing that by the end of it, when someone's gone through this entire marketing process, they have now come to the realization that, okay, this is something that I'm worth spending 60 bucks in. And that's why they've been able to essentially make the type of money that they're making with generating over $500,000 in sales. Okay, now this process that you've just gone through, it's called building an e-commerce sales funnel. Okay, so you're not building a typical, drop shipping storefront. You're building a sales process where you educate someone over multiple steps. And then by the end of it, they're willing to spend more money on this product versus what they had originally thought of. Because if you show them a product name and a price, which is what most dropshipping people do. They're setting up general stores, they're setting up basic products, right? You're not going to be able to generate sales like this. So with this process, right, you don't know enough about what the problems are and the benefits enough to justify a $60 purchase. But if you actually go through all of this marketing, specifically this page that I love this page so much, like I feel like you can sell anything. This is what I call like a hybrid funnel, okay? Because it is, we don't see the price anywhere. we don't see the price anywhere. The first thing that we are solidified with is the product benefit, right? Get near instant relief, where it's been featured, who's wearing it, from freedom to live life on your own terms. So you're not really just selling like a knee solution, you're selling someone the freedom to walk around. And that's what this is. It's psychotherapist approved, prevents injury. It's perfect for this. The alignment zone secret that suits. So it basically, if you align everything, and so you're talking to the customer in such a detailed manner, presenting your offer in such a good way. You're even saying, right now you're in this much pain, but by 4 weeks, you're presenting a clear timeline of when the pain will go away. Now, sales funnels gives us the ability to say all of this. Okay, this is what we call a 3-step funnel. Okay, most products that you want to sell that are $50, you want to use a 3-step or at least a 2-step approach. Okay, and if I look at these ads, they're not all going to the same funnel. Okay, like this is going to this one, right? This is going to something else, right? They're all going to different funnels. Okay, this is going to this one, right? They're all going to different funnels, and they're all selling different products, right? They're all selling different products. Now for us, we were able to hunt down this one, right? We were able to hunt down this product that they're selling, and they're selling a ton of this. Okay, now the reason that I like this as well is that it's easy to target with meta ads. Okay, now people on Facebook, they're a little bit older, right? And this is something that is a universal problem. Now, there is a little bit of a caveat to this one, is that you will need to find your target audience. Okay, because it's not that easy to target with knee pain and with health products on Facebook anymore. But because the target audience is so broad, there's a lot of profit in this. Okay, I see so many of these knee, shoulder health solutions. And the reason that I'm seeing them is because they're widely available and they're widely targetable. All right, guys. So again, this is one of those funnels that I think is a good one for someone that really just wants to make a side income, really wants to create a cash cow business. And the reason I say cash cow business is because you have to figure the system out once, and you can then go ahead and replicate it multiple times over. Okay, now I'm going to take a look at some of their ads. That we'll see a lot of their ads are inactive as well. They are doing active and inactive ads, right? But I want to look at some of their funnels that they're running traffic to. Okay, so now this business, it's a 500 grand business, not because of the fact that they are they're basically, they figured out the 3-step funnel system, and they're not just running one product to it, they're running multiple products to it. This is another funnel that they're using. Okay, this is a 2-step, right? Article to order page. But anything that I click on, okay, I'm going to see them running traffic to that funnel. And they're running traffic via multiple domains. So there's Healthy Lab Co, there's Buy Healthy Lab Co. Now this is where I'm finding a lot more active ads, right? 580 active ads are being run on this domain. So I know that this is probably where they're now big businesses, big e-commerce businesses like this, they'll run traffic through multiple domains, right? Now I want to go ahead and find that find some more products for us. Like they're really running this AirPod one, and they're running it multiple different right? So they're basically saying this is where probably help people hear more, right? What is this one? This is like a cream, right? What is this one? This is the same cream. Let's go look at some more of their products that they're selling, right? Oh, this is the knee one. Okay, this is the knee one that we are looking at, right? This is their knee one. Again, look at the product pages that they're building. Even if they build normal product pages, okay, they're building this one, okay, which is and guys, all of these images are AI generated, but they're doing a really good job with AI generated images because they make it look real. At the end of the day, what am I trying to show you? What I'm trying to show you is a 500 grand a month business is not running traffic to typical product pages, okay? They have invested in creating all these different types of pages that are article style, that are product page style. They're testing multiple different pages and multiple different products, okay? Now, I really like this page. I think this page, this three-step systems gives us a lot of flexibility. When we're testing it, number one, we send all of our all of our traffic to this article style page that again talks about the breakthrough solution to stop knee pain. When somebody's gone here, right, they have an idea of this looks like a little bit more of a credible newspaper type story where somebody would actually go ahead and read stuff about like knee pain and everything, right? Then they go here, and this is, I feel like this page is so beautiful, right? Not even if you were running any other traffic after any other product, I would just build product pages like this, right? Beautiful. It hits all of my marks. And then over here is a separate order form. Now, I want to talk a little bit about this order form, guys. Now, this order form, why is it such a high converting one? Because look at what you're competing against. Okay, most people will compete against this type of order form, right? You go to add to cart, you go to view my cart, and you're taken to here. This is where you choose your different, this is where you choose like different types of quantities, different types of prices. This is where you choose all of that, okay? Over here is, look at what they've done. They've said, buy one, get one free. Okay, so you're anyways getting two, which you should anyways sell to for 60 plus $9.97 shipping and handling. But they say if you take 4, you get free shipping, and each is $54.97 each. Okay, what they're basically telling us, okay, is they make us feel like we're just paying $54, right? We're just paying $54, but actually we're spending $129. We're actually spending $129, whereas we're made to feel like we're just spending $54 per thing, whereas originally it's $59 per thing. Okay, so this is what a high converting order form looks like, because all the fluff is being taken away, not like, oh, changing quantities here. And then over here, you sort of start second guessing because you see this total, right? You see the total straight away. So you're second guessing. Over here, right, you're made an offer, right? Where it's these type of order pages where all the fluff is taken out and you're making made offers, you're shown reviews, you're shown some additional one-time offers, right? Yes, I want expedited shipping. Yes, I want extended warranty. And when you're done, let's say we take the buy 2 get 2 free for 54 and we get the expedited shipping and we get the extended warranty, we're at $129. We're at $129. We came maybe thinking, okay, we're going to spend $60, get one. All right, and we get another one free, perfect. But by the end of it, we're at $129 spent. Okay, now the ads for this, guys, they're pretty simple. Okay, but the ads for this are always follow a set path. They agitate the problem, they introduce a breakthrough solution, and then they go into the benefits. Okay, that's what most of these ads are, guys. Unfortunately, in the setup where I am right now, we won't be able to hear the audio. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I'm going to walk you through the ad like in a little bit of a faster manner, right? So for example, if your feet like they're burning, buzzing, or zapping, try this cream, right? I'll be honest, I hate ads. I saw this, I felt this. Now they're agitating the problem, okay? Then they tried it for the first time, they were blown away. They learned why this thing works, right? And then this solution started working. This is for their pain cream product, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at their knee pain product as well. It's right here. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, this is the only knee support that it can eliminate years of pain. Okay, so it's a 3-minute ad. Okay, now this is something that it's like these ads I call are origin ads. Okay, so they create a story around what the problem was so intense that someone had to originate an idea to solve it. So I'm a doctor, I've been using the wrong solutions. Like, I haven't seen this ad before, okay? The previous treatments just mask, it doesn't work, right? Then he discovered why, right? 16,000 patients, they were having problems, they discovered why. Then he created the solution. When they put it on, these are all of the reasons it works, right? Comfortable all day, XYZ. When you hit learn more, you go to a funnel. It teaches you a lot more. Then you go here, buy now, save now, and then you go to the same order page. Okay, it's the same system across all the different points, right? So even if for a beginner starting, I wouldn't go this far into an origin ad. I mean, if you have the expertise, if you have the knowledge of how to create it, then yeah, go for it, right? But otherwise, I really wouldn't. I would go to a more beginner friendly one, right? Like just a simple, I was living with this pain, the product came into my life, and now I'm not living with this pain. If you go through this journey with someone, just make it emotionally heightened, right? Don't pull your punches, make it really emotionally charged. Okay. And you can do that with ChatGPT copywriting and get some really good video editors to put your ad together. And then take them here. Take them to this funnel. Okay. Make them read about why this product works, how it's been changing lives, right? Then they check availability and then they find out the offer. Hey, you get to buy one, get one free today. So first you educate, then you hype up the offer, and then you get them to buy. If you follow this 3-step process, it'll be way different from what you've experienced in Shopify, and it'll just absolutely change the way you sell. And I want to make sure that you not only understand how to sell this product, but how to sell any product. Use this 3-step system of educating the customer, right? Step 1, educate. Step 2, hype the offer. Step 3, get the money. Okay? Because you're just building value across the way. Now, this is what I've done. If I were to launch this business, okay, I've basically gone ahead and recreated the entire page on my e-commerce funnel build. It's called ShopFunnels. And what it allows us to do is it allows us to recreate and build pages just like this. It's very simple. All you do is drag the image where you want, enter the text where you want, and you can go ahead and change it, And what me and my team do is we find like top performing funnels like this, go ahead and recreate them from scratch. So for example, over here, I'm just going to go ahead and open it, a live view, right? Try this breakthrough solution to stop knee pain or risk never walking again. Discover this groundbreaking fix for knee pain before it's too late to walk. So we say the same thing a little bit differently. We show the same image a little bit differently. Okay. And that's exactly what we do. So our funnels looks exactly like their funnels. Okay. And then when somebody clicks here, this is my best page ever. I love this page. And we're going to test it a lot right here. Over here, they go here as well, and they see, look at our page and their page. And what we've done is we've changed up the branding as well, okay? Now, the reason we do this, we created the same 3-step funnel, is because we want to give you the ability to test products in this way. I want to give you this 3-step funnel. If you want to test this exact same product, go for it. If you want to test any other product, go for it, okay? It's very, very simple to start using, okay? All you have to do is go here. Okay, I have a bunch of funnels. Actually, let me log into my ShopFunnels account. You go to ShopFunnels, you hit create a funnel, and here the niche sport funnel. You select this and it gets instantly downloaded into your account. Okay, once it's downloaded into your account, right? If you want to change some stuff up, great. If not, dope, because our goal is for you to run it as is. Okay, make a few changes in terms of like adding your domain and stuff, but other than that, we want you to launch it just as is. And over here is where we've included all of the research. Now, why is it done this way? Okay, the reason it's done this way is because I want very less time for people to spend in guesswork. Okay, rather than you guessing how to recreate this, me and my team, we've been able to do over 7 figures in revenue ourselves. We've been in e-commerce for a really, really long time. And this is something that we're sort of experts at, right? We do this every single day. So instead of you having to rewrite the images, rewrite the copy, I want to build all of this stuff in advance and just give you the room to test. Okay, that's it, because you can skip all the build and you can go straight to the testing, right? Which is anyways where the money is being made. Okay, so all of this is done and your sales will show up right here in the store section. Okay, so I'm gonna actually open up another funnel that actually I launched live on the channel. Okay, I was gonna go to store and all of your sales will show up right here. Okay, as orders coming in, you can go ahead and fulfill orders right from here, or very exciting, you can just connect shopper and auto fulfill it. Okay, now you can start working with these templates or start plugging your products in however you want. I have a ton of pre-built ready to launch stores where you don't have to do anything. You just launch it and start collecting money. Okay, or you swap them out for your own stuff. If you have your own products launch, if you want to build funnels just like this, if you believe that fact that, hey, I'm thinking someone that lands here is probably going to convert more than someone that lands here, right? I think we can all agree that someone that lands here is far better to convert than someone that lands here. If you just believe that fact, then this is something that you might want to try, okay? So with that being said, guys, go to shopfunnels.net. or click the link down below and just start it for $1. For $1, you can start testing all of these templates and you can actually even launch them. Yes, you can make them live, start collecting money, like start launching. And when you join ShopFunnels, you get a bunch of free courses that'll help you get your ShopFunnels ready. It's very simple. You just have to add your domain and your pixel, and you're pretty much good to go. And you also get a few courses about AI ad creation. So you can just use AI tools to create your ads. My goal is for you to swap these templates up and keep launching, because I will keep ShopFunnels updated with 2 to 3 new businesses built and ready to launch. And I want you guys to go ahead and launch it. So I love this example because this person was able to use the same method that I am saying to build a business over 12K, and he didn't do anything except for use a pre-built store. Okay. So and this is what people inside the community continuously do. I drop something, they test it, they start getting sales, they have the base of their business. Okay. And then it's up to them how they want to take it, right? Do they want to test different products? Do they want to test something new, XYZ? It's completely up to them. And that's the beauty of this business. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I love making these videos. I love dropping new stores, new builds every so often. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment down below for the research. Any questions you have about ShopFunnels, joining, whatever, it's a $1 trial. Try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But if it does work, you have a system that will continuously find you winning products, build out your stores, do your e-commerce copywriting, do your graphic design, all of that for $1. Like, I feel like that's the best. It's a steal, right? And even if it isn't, my advice to you is launch this. Okay, it's worked. It's done extremely well for others. Why don't you launch this and build it yourself? But build this. This is what you have to build at the end of the day. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Be sure to subscribe and like the video if you found there to be value. I upload every single day, so come back here tomorrow for more e-commerce content. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.